My name is Conan Sandberg, and I work at Trimble as our Business Information Security Officer for our Transportation Logistics segment. We're always looking for continuous improvement here at Trimble, especially when it comes to cybersecurity with the ever-growing landscape. And we think about where is our time best spent and how can we improve efficiencies. Improving efficiencies is really, we have our security posture in place, and how can we validate everything's doing what we expect it to do. And also additional gaps that we might not account for, so we can go fill those gaps. So that opens the door to looking for our third-party penetration test. With NetSPI, we were able to leverage that penetration testing solution to validate, are our tools doing what they say they are, and then also what gaps can they find that we don't have. And it's better if we have a controlled partner and a good partner that we're collaborating with find it than an adversary and attacker on the outside where they can do more damage with it. NetSPI has brought the expertise and the support that we needed at Trimble. As a collaborative partnership, we're able to really get more benefits outside of just the testing. I think just the relationship, when we think about everyone being a cybersecurity defender at the end of the day, trying to work together, share ideas, collaborate. NetSPI and Trimble really bring that to the table when we're looking at the report that we get, but we're also having conversations, discussions about new trends that we're seeing with our partners, new trends that we're seeing with our business partners, new trends that we're seeing with our technology that's coming out, the reports that we get from each test. Very detailed. It explains what was tested, it explains what was found, what needs to be done to be remediated. It's very actionable, and the risk levels that are attached to each finding, if there is any findings, are very explicit. So when we work with our product engineering teams or our sales folks to maybe change roadmaps to encompass the findings that we might have to address, it's very clear, very actionable, and it really gets the most out of our time. From a user standpoint with Trimble, it's really easy for us to use and collaborate with. We're able to address the higher risk concerns in a more timely manner by knowing what got exploited or potentially could get exploited, or what needs to get fixed. And also with the reports that we get from NetSPI, we're able to identify the action steps that need to be taken to properly fix it. So it's not us spinning cycles on how do we fix this, what do we do? It's all provided for us, so we're able to execute and then move on to the next problem. For us to stay ahead of the adversaries, we really need to understand the breadth and scope of the technology that we're using and possible vulnerabilities that might exist with it. And I felt that with NetSPI, we got that expertise. We were adequately able to test our products, understand the gaps that it had, regardless if it was 10 years old, 20 years old, or if it just came out this year, and really get the scope that we need to out of each engagement. The relationship between Trimble and NetSPI really comes down to the collaborative effort. We get quality product and we get an amazing culture at the end.